How to make Google Slides play automatically. Open your Google Slides presentation. Go to slideshow mode by clicking the slideshow button in the top right corner. Click the three dots icon. Select Autoplay from the menu. Set the time interval between slides. Click play. Your presentation will now play automatically until the last slide. Method 2. Click on the File tab in the menu bar. Select Share from the options. Then, click on Publish to the web. A dialog box titled Publish to the Web will appear. Configure the timing. Then check the box next to Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. Hit Publish. Copy the URL. To automatically start the presentation, paste the copied link into the address bar and press Enter. Your presentation will now play automatically until the last slide. For additional content similar to this, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for SlideKit notifications.